Welcome to another rust locker video. Today I'm working on the combo. Now if you've got weak fans, this is going to be a fix for you. When you have a service done, whether it's yourself or whether you take it to a garage, the main things that you would expect to be done would be new oil filter, new air filter, some new oil, maybe a new fill filter and some new spark plugs or glow plugs. But when have you ever had the cabin filter changed? If you're like me and like a lot of other people, you might even be sitting there going, I didn't even know there was a cabin filter. Well, there is, and if it looks dirty and scummy and it's full of leaves and dirt, then that is why you've got weak fans and you're not getting much airflow through. This is a cabin filter that has been on for about 6 months, and as you can see it's full of fluff and seeds and dirt and some mould. Well, this is what filters the air that comes through the fans in your vehicle. So as you can imagine, once this gets clogged and full of leaves and dirt and debris, that's going to impede airflow coming into your cabin in your car. So changing the cabin filter can not only improve the efficiency of your fans, also means you're not going to be breathing in all this shit. So that's what we're doing today on the combo. I've just taken this out and I'm going to show you how to fit a new one. Now luckily on a Vauxhall Combo or Corsa C, it's incredibly easy to change the cabin filter, which makes it even more of a strange thing that it doesn't get changed more often. It's literally you're going to be lifting up some plastic, slotting one out and slotting the other in. So let's get outside and I'll show you what's what. Okay, just to make life easier, I'm going to take off the seal. Lift up this cowl part, and underneath there is your cabin filter. So really just by pulling out this part here, and you can unclip these wires to give yourself a little bit of flexibility, and lift up this plastic cowl. And you can see under there is the cabin filter. They're marked what way round they go, with the little arrows and the airflow, and there you have the cabin filter. That gives you a bit of a better idea of how dirty they can get. That's how bright and white this brand new one is. Okay, so making sure that the airflow arrows are pointing towards your cabin. You're going to lift this up, slide it underneath those two clips there and back in. Probably give that a bit of a clean out under there as well, some dust and leaves out. Lift the clips up and slot it in. That's in there. Flip the clips back down. Put your cowling back. Wires back in. Right, so that's it, nice quick and easy fix. And if we turn on the ignition and we check out our fans, blowing strong. Right, well I hope this video has helped you out if you've been suffering from weak fan syndrome. If it has, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you're new, please consider subscribing for more mods and fixes coming soon. And I'll catch you on the next one.